What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Vision from WandaVision. Let's begin by drawing the eyes in the center of our page. So we're going to start over on the left side. Starting from the very top, we're going to draw a circle. And bring this all the way down towards the bottom. And pull that back up towards the top. Now let's leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. Let's line up the top of that circle. Bring that down towards the same height. And then back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, just going to pull that circle in and then back out. Let's line this up on the right. And then we'll draw another circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. We're going to tuck this in underneath the highlight. So let's start at the very bottom. Come around, pull that in behind the highlight. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's start by lining up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center. Now I'm going to start on the left side. We're going to curve the nose, coming down and then bending that up. Let's step up and draw a short curve, going up and then down the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start back over on the left, curve the mouth, coming down and then up. Step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside edge of the left eye, we're going to step out and draw a large half circle. We come down, round up the chin, and then pull that up on the right side towards the same height. Let's leave a gap on the side and draw the top of the head. We start on the left, step up, curve the head going up, round this out, go across, and then down on the right side. And we'll tuck the ears along the side of the head. On the left side, let's step up, go out, and then bend that in. Line this up on the right, going out, and then in. Now we're going to draw that diamond in the center of the forehead. Let's start at the very top, right in the middle. Start with a point. From here we're going to angle down and out towards the left and right side. And then we'll pull that down and in towards the middle. And we'll trace that diamond along the inside, so leave an even space gap all the way around. Let's draw the inside edge of the head. Starting from the very top, I'm just going to curve this out, come around the side of the eye, right about there. I'm just going to pull this down and then in towards the chin. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. We'll go out, come around the eye, and we'll pull that down and bend that in. Let's move down underneath the head and draw in the collar. We'll start right in the middle with a straight line, starting on the left, straight across. And then from the left side, we curve the collar going up, and we'll bend that down on the left, go back over towards the right, go up, and then down on the right. And then from the ends, we're going to curve up and in behind the head. Let's go back to the inside, go up and out on either side. And then we'll thicken up that center strap. On the left, step up, draw another straight line going across. And now we're going to draw on the side of the body. On the left side, we're going to step out, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, curve the body coming down, and then up. Let's add another diamond in the center of the body. We'll start from the top with a point, and go down and out toward the left and right side. And then again, we'll just pull this down and in towards the middle. Let's move down and draw on the shorts. From the center, we're going to step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, we'll go to the left side, draw a short line coming down toward the bottom edge of the shorts, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now going back to the left side, we're going to curve the shorts, going out, and then we'll bend that up. And then we'll go back up to the hips, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the side of the shorts. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the shorts. On the left side, we're going to step out, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left side, curve the foot coming down, and then up towards the toe. And we'll go back to the left side and round out the top of the shoe. Starting from the toe, we're going to curve up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the outside corner of the shorts, step in and draw the outside of the leg. We start on the left, curve out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's go to the top of the foot, step up and add a curve, coming down and then up. Line this up on the right, do the same thing. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle, coming in and then out for the thumb. And we'll close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the finger coming down and then up around that bracket. Step down, curve down, and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round up the arm, and then pull that up underneath the collar. Let's move back up and draw the cape across the top of the arms. We'll start on the left side, curve up, and then bend that down on the outside. And then from the wrist, we're going to step up and draw the glove, going up and then bending that out. Let's bring the cape down in behind the arms and the body. So we're going to line up the outside, come down underneath the finger, curve the cape coming down and then bending that out. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll connect the ends with a curve. Starting on the left, come down and in behind the legs. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll continue this curve in between the legs, coming down and up. And that's pretty much it. There's Vision from WandaVision. If you enjoyed today's lesson, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.